Hello everybody, this is Ravindra Dastikop once again welcoming you all for my cloud computing learning session. In this session I'll be talking about the evolution of computer applications, starting from traditional applications which were meant for single machine and server to then to web applications and finally to cloud application. I'll be narrating the story. The first kind of application that we had were actually called desktop applications. These desktop applications were meant for the desktop computer, which were there on the table of an individual or an official. So these were meant to be run on that particular machine. And if you look at this picture, there is an application. Your data and your business logic are installed on that. What it actually means is, suppose you are using MS Word kind of an application, then that has to be installed on that, and that whatever it provides is called business logic, and whatever the document that you create or whatever the data that you create, it is stored in this. That means machine is yours, application is installed, and your data is created there. So now as a user you have full control and ownership of the machine, data and software. This is an isolated thing from the rest of the world. Complete control is given to the user. In the 1990s, we saw the emergence of internet, and we also had this kind of application called web application. And the web application, as you can see in the picture, on the right side there is a small screen which shows that which represents your computer. So that means to access any web application, all that you have to have is a connecting device. So once this device is there, then your data and business logic actually comes from the internet. For example, you take an example of Indian Railway railway online ticket booking. So you use your browser, go to there and access that application, book your ticket and come back. So application is also on the server, and your whatever the transaction data like your booking ticket is also stored on that particular server or particular machine. So there is no ownership of the application. Data is stored elsewhere. Application comes from the service provider. All that you are doing is actually accessing that application as and when you need. So the web applications were slow because both the application and the data has to come from the server. So every time you give a command, it has to go to the server and come back to you. Hence, we used to feel a kind of a delay in web applications. But with the advent of cloud computing, we have a new kind of an application called cloud application. As you can see it in the picture, on the right side you see your access device. It could be your mobile or computer or laptop and all. So you are trying to use an application. So whenever you try to use an application using a browser, the business logic, that means whatever the software that is needed to support your current activity is actually brought back to your machine and you use that. But whatever that you create during that process, for example, a cloud document on a Google or any transaction, that actually goes back to the cloud itself. That means your data is stored on the cloud. Whatever the activity that you are using, that software comes to you. So now there is a difference. The reason is actually the data is on the cloud, so it comes fast to you. The application works fast because it is actually working on your machine. So this is called cloud application. So cloud application is rich, remote and responsive. So it combines the quality of a desktop application which is rich and responsive, but it also combines the distance of or remoteness of a web application. Now let us understand the goal of cloud application. Why are you developing cloud application? Cloud application represents state of the art in the application development. So we moved from a traditional desktop application to web application. Today we are talking about cloud application because that is what is the trend now. They try to combine the best of both worlds, richness of desktop with remoteness of web application. The whole idea of a cloud application is actually the hybrid of desktop application which is rich and with complete control that you had. Similarly, the remoteness of a web application which is away from you but very slow. Now this cloud application want to overcome both of this and give you both the rich experience and the speed access. Now let us understand the meaning of cloud application. Cloud computing applications are the application available as software as service over the internet, which facilitates the user to run those applications without installing them on his own machine. This saves cost of infrastructure and hardware. That means you don't have a hard disk space or things like that. In general, cloud applications, customers do not own the infrastructure but use it from a third-party provider as a service. Then finally we answer the question, where do they come from? That means where do the cloud application come from? Cloud computing applications are loaded on the servers of service provider, meaning it often is called data center, and the service provider give access to this application through an interface using the internet. Every customer has his own unique account. For example, if you have a Gmail account, then you have a login from which they log onto the cloud of the provider and access the application they have paid for, or if it is free also. Service provider also provides space at his own server for customer to data. For example, if you have a a Gmail account, they give you 15 GB of space. Similarly, every service provider will have certain amount of space which is given for you to use.